Hello, everyone. Welcome to a new trading session with Miguel and the Financial Eagles. Hello, Miguel.
Hello, Lama. Hello, everyone.
Hello.
So let's start what we have in the US30. The US30, after breaking this trend line, look what a bearish move. Okay, it didn't even يعني اللي أخدها impulse from here after rejecting this, okay, this candle. اللي أخدها impulse, his stop loss here. هي عم تحكوا انتبهوا daily. يعني بس تكون تمشوا ببيج targets, your stop loss راح يكون أكبر. Okay, so your stop loss is here. Into your sell, you take it from this area. After this rejection, high, lower high, it start to move, it hit it, retraced, hit it, and then retraced. يعني it will break it. So it was like big bearish. هون اكيد لانه كان عم يقطع كتير نيوز يو اس دي نيوز كمان، هذا اللي ساعده to push this. Okay, so look at this, all this target. هلا for now what we have هلا it reached تقريبا this strong area. يعني كان بدها شوي يعني to this sniper entry. هلا ما وصلت لها. So this candle اذا سكرت like this, it's like a bullish عم بتريح. I'm still bearish شوي بس let's see. يعني هلا we have NFP week, so النيوز هي اللي رح تكون عم تأثر على كل شيء. Okay, so the first هلا انا اللي بدي اياه this candle to close. اذا شفت tomorrow فتحت wick down, respected this low, okay, and then pushed up, صار يطلع الماركت like it's pushing up, breaking the previous high. Okay, هلا بنزل اكيد. look at the 4 hours. يعني don't stay on one time frame. نزلوا على 4 hours. Okay, look شو بيكون like the market what's making. Okay, it might like go down to retest this low as always. يعني always daily it retests most of the time of the previous low. And if it's gonna continue bullish, it respected it, okay, and it start rejecting, then my buy is accurate for it. Okay. هلا if it opened هون صرنا هلا let's stay on the daily. Wick down هون breaking up, that's great. But let's go to the lower time frame, and you can take it as a wick fill on the lower time frame. Okay, if you can see, and if it closed like this, you can take it as a wick fill after making a wick down. If it opened wick up, okay, and then like respecting this and going down, I'm gonna go with the trend. يعني the buy, I'm a little bit skeptic, but you can take it as on lower time frame and secure it, okay, and like leave runners. That's how you play it, like when it's like against the trend. With the trend, you can like leave it. Okay, so that's my buy and my sell. I'm gonna put now for the Dow. Okay, if come in, we need to see something. If it pushed down this area, it's gonna react on it. If you can, I will show it on the higher time frame. Look at this area. Okay, how many rejections it have here, here. All this area is super strong area, so it will like react on it. Always put like multiple like confirmations for it. Okay, and going down to this area, I will take the sell for sure and secure, like start securing. If I saw a reversal from this area, like a strong reversal, I need like candles, like bullish candles. Okay, so then I can secure like 80 to 90% of my trade on this level. Okay, that's my TP4. That's the runner I always leave as 10%. Okay, so that's how it is. And always look at those strong areas and then secure, like start securing if you saw a reversal. Okay, هلا كمان if you can see on the 5 minutes, look how the market it's working, guys. Look at this high. Okay, broke the high as a liquidity and then pushed down. That's the trade, like the good trade I took. Okay, and then up goes bearish. Here the same. Look at this and look at this here. Okay, let's see لورا. Okay, it's too far. So this again, it faked It like faked it. Sellers, the ones like they don't wait a retest, at least breaking and then retesting to confirm the bullish move. If they took it from here, whoop, it did how many pips? Like that's 16 pips. It did 16 pips and then reversed. Okay, so if your stop loss was here, boop, it hit it. Always be careful. Like wait for the trade to go up and then retrace. Let it retrace to confirm it. And don't be in a rush to take your trades. Now, even now, you can see, look, you might be forming a flag for a continuation bearish move. And then I'm still bearish, but let's see how it's gonna be. This candle might be like a retreat, like ريح market in this market, and then it gain the volume. On NFP, it will gain a lot of volume. Okay, so gold sells. I'm out. I'm super out. Even if it's gonna go all the way, I'm out, but I'm risking. Because if I took after look at this, no green candle, and on this move down, there is at least one green candle. So look here, okay, green candle, waves. It's like waves, guys, retracing. So it should retrace at some point, and this it should retrace at some point. Okay, this area is a good area, even to this area, like 1800. So even if it's gonna go to this area, I'm gonna take any sells. Okay, because where's my stop here? Like it's a risk. It's gonna do like one green poop, it hit your stop loss and then push down. So no, wait for a retracement and then you can take it. You can take it and manage always your stop loss on the retracement. Okay, I'm gonna only take a buy. That's if this candle closed that much bearish, I'm not confident to take a buy. Still to take a buy. Let's see the reaction here, and we will see tomorrow. If it opened, made the liquidity down, okay, it broke those previous and then start to push up. So I will, like, to this level I said about here, let me put one. Okay, if it did liquidity and then start to retrace from this area, this trend line, don't look at it. This trend line, and I just put it on to see where, look at the market. Okay, put 1, 2, 3. It's like it always, like, that's a channel. It go inside the channel between the trends, but for sure I need 3 hits to confirm it. Okay, this one, it broke it. Even if it broke it, I don't need this even trend, but I will wait now for it to see where it's gonna like retrace. Okay, if I saw it retracing from this area, you can catch your buy from this level, not this level. Okay, you can catch it as a reversal if you saw the dollar index to like at least retracing too. So that's a good buy here as a sniper. It's like not sniper, reversal, sorry. Okay, for now I'm gonna wait, and if it opened, made a wick down, even like wick down and then pushing up, not like reversing from this as a green candle, I go to the 4 hours. I needed to break those highs, okay, as a small like double bottom, as a reversal to retrace, and it should retrace. Let's put the Fibonacci. It should retrace. My target at least like 0.5%. Okay, so that's 2 for gold. Only a buy. Let's go GBP JPY. GBP JPY, by the way, the last week did all the target. Okay, this week, the sell, I'm gonna take it with the wick fill. Okay, this wick fill, I'm gonna take it to this level, because if the tomorrow's daily candle opened wick up, respected, even not if it goes like a little bit up, that means like no, it didn't. No, that's a liquidity. If it goes up and you saw it rejecting, the way down. That's a good sell too. Look at this area, it's strong. Then this here it retraced, يعني ريح market, then it's continuing the bearish move. As for the buy, I'm gonna take it as an impulse, not like impulse. I'm gonna take it and secure it and leave the runners. Okay, but أكيد after a retest to confirm it. Don't forget. Liquidity, it don't retest and go up. Liquidity, it goes up. The impulse entries of the people, it took it and then like they sold everything. Like it will hit your stop loss and that's a fuel for the bearish move. Okay, I'm gonna take it. If it retested and goes up, then you start securing on the TPs and leave. Always leave runner. Always leave 10%. Okay, so that's for GJ2. GJ even breaking here, like that's a long term. Breaking here like a flag, it's gonna like push at least to retest this side. Okay, let's go for Euro. Euro command still pushing down. And all the market is pushing like too much down. Okay, for the daily command, everything oversold, everything. The buy, I'm not gonna take it in Euro. Suse like in Euro because it's super slow. I never take like this, like the gold and GJ and Yasser. I'm gonna wait till it break the last lower high it did. If you can see, high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. So I'm gonna wait because it might go up to this like trend and this last high to retest it and goes down. Okay, the sell, I will take the sell from this area, but I need a little bit like still a retracement. I mean, not like we can take it, but I need a bigger retracement. Okay, on the daily, because that all the studies on the daily. So I'm looking at the daily, everything I see in daily. Okay, and then you take confirmation on lower time frame and not dial like if you do on the 4-hour time frame, that trade have a time. Daily time frame, that like trade, it might like take 2 days, 3 days, and you need to leave it. Okay, 1 hour it's intraday, like even 4 hours intraday, not like swings, big swings. Okay, so let's see. And I need a bigger retracement, then I will execute the sell. Even if it opened, made a wick up, going up, and then pushing down, closing here. If it goes up and then pushing down, I'm not gonna take it all the way. I need it to close at least here or here, and then take the second candle. Okay, guys. So come in. That's for the euro. Lama, you do GBP/USD?
Yes, of course. Hello, everyone. First, I want to welcome the new members with us. We have Aisha from London. We have Rami Lebanon here in Dubai. Hello, everyone. And we also have iPhone too, but I don't know who is behind iPhone. Anyway, we have new members tonight. Welcome, and also the old members, of course. I'm very happy to have this session with you. And especially because here in this session, we can be able to ask more questions, dig more into the trading session. Also, your experience through the week, you can share it here with us, your studies, even for the new members and the old members. We can share everything here because we can learn from each other, and that's why we do this session all together. Okay, so let's start. I want to share my screen. Okay, so here today, the GU, it was moving like crazy today. We have, sorry, let me remove this one. Okay, so we are talking about this, wait, okay. We are talking about this candle, the green candle, which is a bullish candle. So today in the morning, I sent a study. Okay, so my study was breaking this support. Let me go on a lower time frame to see it. better. So this green zone, it means the buy zone. Okay, and the red zone is where we have our stop loss, like until reach this point, and then the trade will stop. Here, the sell, it is the sell zone here, where when we see the candle or the wick of the candle in this zone, it means that we took the sell, like we made pips inside this zone. Let's say here 11 pips. Okay, so here are the pips that we collected from this, in this area, from this study. Okay, for the new ones, that's why I'm a little bit explaining more. Okay, so we see here, it was here our entry on this line, which is the 1.2113. Okay, so if you want to calculate the pips, we made today 52 pips from the buy, the trade that I sent. So today, I remember I was out. I was not able, unfortunately, to take my trade, but it's okay. Every day we have a new opportunity. Okay, so if you see here this candle, this 4-hour candle, the green candle, so we go inside this candle on the 1 hour. So mainly this is the green candle, okay, divided into hours. So we see here we reached to this point, this point. And I remember that I noticed that in the afternoon we had news, the non-farm payroll or the non-farm employment change. Okay, to understand more the news, we need to download the Forex Factory, where I put the link in Discord, how to start. So we go click on this, the Forex Factory, and we keep it here highlighted because we always need to check the news. And also it is very important to set the time according to your time, your country, your time zone. So we had news, important news, the red flag here, it means that this news has high impact on the market. And on which currency? It is the US dollar. So here they mentioned the currency. We have also a training in the website, the Alpha Universe website, fundamental. So it's very important to watch it to understand how we can read the calendar, the economic calendar, where we get all the news of the week. If we see here until Saturday, Sunday, of course, next week also, like we can see more news, but mainly we go step by step, like day by day or week by week. So the non-farm payroll change, it was negative. The news was negative because here it's in red. And if we read here, we can understand more, like how we can analyze the news to understand why this news is negative, like why the number is negative. Okay, so it depends on the news. We will go with time, you will understand more step by step, especially for the new ones. Give yourself time to understand more. Okay, so the news was negative. So we see here a bullish move here for the GBP because the GBP is quoted on the US dollar. So when the US dollar goes down, the GBP will go up. And by this way, we were able to take profit even more. Okay, but I prefer always to stay out of the market before the news, because before the news, we didn't know if the market will go up or will go down. So it's better always to be on the safe side. Always secure your profits is better than zero profits, even if 100% profit. Securing is better than the unknown that will reach. And always, since we have a stop loss, and because we have this risk management strategy, we are always on the safe side. So even if it will go down, it will like reach to a point where we will be losing 1% from our capital, which is great. So that's why to be on the safe, like an insurance, we have like an insurance. So always be safe. Okay, so and now we can see then it went down and it went up. I also tried to scalp on the 30 minutes and the 15 minutes. Okay, so mainly I did few pips, but I didn't send them on Discord. Anyway, the thing is, it took the buy according to the study. Now we can delete here the buy and the sell zone. And mainly I prefer, of course, because here I was waiting for this reversal. So if we see here on a higher time frame to understand the mindset or like how things work, we were in a down move. Okay, so every time we have a big move down, we have at least a retracement up. It's like you are running and we need to take a break. Okay, that's how the market works. So it goes down and then it will retrace a little bit. Mainly after this move down, and with time you will understand more, maybe it will start retracing, like we see a curve, like a curve until like going up. So we need to, I was waiting, that's why I have this arrow here, because I was waiting for this candle. Mainly this is a reversal candle. And then we see a move up in the market. So probably it will start going up. And now if it will start going up, we always need to put both scenarios. So the sell opportunity should be here breaking this support, of course, always breaking the support, we take the sell. Okay, because this is the confirmation of a sell. The support is the confirmation. Okay, and breaking, let me see, let's put the resistance here. We can put here the resistance. Okay, so breaking this resistance, it's better, of course, to wait for the candle close, because now we are still open. We have 3 hours and 5 minutes until this candle will close and we start a new day. So it's always better to wait for the new day, for the candle to make a wick down. Let's say this is the new candle and this is the wick down. Okay, so it makes a wick down and then it starts to go up. Okay, I prefer to take the buy from here to be on the safe side. And we can benefit from this wick to make a wick fill, let's say on the 15 minutes for the people who like to scalp. We cannot see it, it's very like detailed. Okay, so mainly this is what I see for the GU. Okay, guys. So breaking this support will be the sell opportunity, breaking this resistance will be the buy opportunity, and we also have like a clean traffic where we have lots of candles, like red candles here. Okay, so mainly if we use the Fibonacci, and for the people who do not know the Fibonacci, with time you will understand more. Okay, so the Fibonacci will show us the retracement of each down move. Like every time we have an up move or a down move, it's not only for the down move. Okay, so this down move, okay, so it will retrace, but I think here we cannot use the Fibonacci from the upside. Maybe on the daily, because it retraced a little bit. Okay, so anyway, let's wait for the reversal and see breaking this resistance will be the buy and breaking this support will be the sell. Okay, guys. Miguel, do you like to add anything?
لا all good all good. هلا ده مثل ما قلت يعني بس انه let's wait يعني انتبهوا شوي this week guys. يعني انا بفضل انه تنتبهوا لانه الماركت رح يكون بطيء شوي. كان قطع شو اسمه
Yes, so Miguel is saying
ال NFT.
because Aisha doesn't speak Arabic.
Oh yes I forget. Yeah, I'm saying like be careful in the market this week until Friday. Friday there's NFP, like the non-farm payroll news Lama was talking about. So it manipulate the market. Yeah, the market be like low volume and it's not gonna be like big moves. So be careful about this. It's gonna be like sudden moves, but yes, be careful.
Exactly. So this is the non-farm payroll where they do the calculation of the unemployment, the employment except for the farm payment, the farm employed. The number of people during previous months, excluding the farming industry. So here you can read the news step by step. You will understand everything. Don't trust yourself. Give yourself the time that you need to understand and to to sum up everything. Okay, guys? So this is it for the market update. Now we will leave the session for the Q&A.